Should you wait or should you buy? This is part 17 of my 30-part series on stay investing. If you have not watched part 15 and part 16 of this series, check them out here. They will provide you with some background to this current video. Unless you're buying property in the speculative segment, waiting for the perfect time can actually cost you even more. If you have not watched my video on Smart Mover Advantage and the speculative segment, check them out here. I shared about the speculative segment where you can actually buy when the market is bearish. But for mass market condo regions such as OCR and RCR, waiting for the perfect timing can actually cost you more. This chart shows you the average OCR new launch condo starting from prices. Due to the deflation of purchasing power and asset inflation, you can see that the same amount of money can only buy a smaller beta along the years. In 2013, which is 12 years ago, 1.5 million can get you a 4 beta in the OCR region. 6 years later in 2019, you can only get a 3 beta for 1.5 million. Fast forward another 5 years in 2024, for a 3 beta in OCR will cost you 2.1 million, and a 4 beta will cost you 3 million. You can see that 1.5 million can only now get you a 2 beta in the new launch OCR region. In 2028 or even 2030, the same amount of money might get you an even smaller unit. This chart shows you the real estate cycle, yearly price index by region. You can see that for the past 20 years, they have been growing in value. In 2013, the average price index is 167.6. Today, it is 209.1. Similarly, whether it's OCR, RCR or CCR, all the price index have grown in value. Next, we're going to look at the average PSF by region, and this consists of both new launch condos as well as resale condos. In 2022, the PSF for OCR is 1321 PSF. Today, it is 1924 PSF in average. For RCR, it was 1828 in 2022. Today, it is 2382 PSF. For CCR, it was 2418 in 2022. Today, the average is 3013 PSF. Now, let's look at the new launch average PSF by region. In 2022, it was 1703 in the OCR area. Today, it is 2143 PSF. For RCR, it was 1995 in 2022. Today, it is 2640. In 2022, for the CCR area, it was 2778 PSF. Today, it is 3209 PSF. You might think that it is only for new launches, so we're going to look at resale average PSF by region. In 2022, the average PSF in the OCR region will be 1213 PSF. Today, the average PSF is 1533 PSF. In 2022, it was 1533 PSF in the RCR region. Today, it is 1941 PSF. For CCR, it was 1964 PSF in 2022. Today, it is 2192 PSF. So you can see that all the prices have grown in value, whether it's new launch or resale condos. Instead of waiting for the perfect timing, what you need to do is to buy the right development at the right price. You can check out my framework here on how to choose the right property. If you have more questions, you can always ask a different kind of agent. I will see you in the next video.